What's up, guys? Jared here, out here on the 15, about to crimp in some brassicas. If you heard today's podcast, it is the end of July. Bill Winky says to plant brassicas then. We're doing it. Right here is all standing buckwheat. Some clover and stuff under there too, but I'm gonna crimp all this down right now. I'm moving because I'm getting eaten alive out here. But as you can see, it's pretty tall. Didn't get a lot of rain when I first planted it, but good enough to crimp. Got the KFP Border Patrol coming in too, but let's get to crimping. The Packer Max roller crimper right here. Ready to go. What's up, guys? Got the essentials here for today. Got the Carnage Brassicas from Killer Food Plots, the solo spreader, roller crimper for no-till application. Again, my buckwheat, about almost as tall as the quad. There's all kinds of buckwheat and ragweed and all kinds of stuff down there. I'm gonna seed brassicas into this right now, end of July. I'm gonna crimp over it right now. So here's the before shot. The crimping happening behind me. You can see where I haven't crimped yet as well. Over here I have crimped. All right, guys, crimped buckwheat, standing buckwheat. Yeah, way up here, look at this. Loving it.